Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Robin Mills, and in this video I am going to share with you how to choose a profitable products on ClickBank. And it's a review of the affiliate marketing for beginners step by step. Okay, with that being said, let's dive right on in. All right, I am going to share my screen with you, and let's share this. Okay, share. Okay. You see it, but I don't. Okay, let's try this again. Um, Wait a minute. Let's do it this way. Share. Okay. Boom. Share. Okay, there we go. All right, now here we are at ClickBank, and if you don't have an account with ClickBank, you can check it out down in the description. I have a link down there, clickbank.com, where you can sign up. Okay, so this is your dashboard right here in the left-hand column, and you have your tickets, your transactions, affiliate reporting, seller reporting, support and shipping report, accounts, user, affiliate marketing, marketplace, education, settings, profile, and support. And what we're going to do, we'll be going to affiliate marketplace. So you want to click on that. Okay. So this brings you right here in the affiliate marketplace. And here's your categories to choose from. And you got to make sure that you really know what niche that you're in. Okay. And then you can kind of choose from here. So some of the things that they have back here is arts and entertainment as seen on TV. They have the business of vetting, investing. Just going to name some few here. Cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, education. They have games, health and fitness, home and garden, politics, current events. They have self-help, software and services, spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, sports and travel. Okay. And if you want to know a little bit more about it, this question mark, just click on that and it gives you more information about affiliate marketplace. Okay. And here you just have your top offers, saved offers, and new offers. So what we're going to go is we're going to go to the e-business and e-marketing. Okay, you want to click on that. Okay, and this brings you to the products. And on the left-hand side, you see the filters here. I usually go through this. I usually pick English for language, and then I scroll down here. And for the features, I pick affiliate tools page. And the reason why I do that, because when you choose that, they give you affiliate tools like, okay, email swipes and banners and things like that you can use to promote their product. So that's really helpful. Okay. So you choose your filters, whatever filters you want, and then you come over here and you want to go to the sort results by rank, but you want to click the drop box and you want to sort by gravity. Okay, gravity. And here you can see the gravity score. And what the gravity score is, it shows you how well the product is doing, and also it shows you how many affiliates are promoting that product. So, and as a newbie, you know, the gravity score is 278.88, which is really high. So this lets me know that this product is really hot. You know what I'm saying? This is really doing well. So as a new beginner, I might want to scroll down and look for a gravity between 15 and 70, just starting out. Okay. So let's check that out. 126.77. That's still a little too high. Okay, here's one. Perpetual Income 360, brand new 3.1 version, this 2022. Gravity score is 40.66. And then your average conversion that you'll be paid would be $409.33. So let's check this out. Okay. Okay, brand new VSLs, new upsales, new features for 2022. Massive average money per sale from a $9 tripwire plus recruiting income. That's important. Recruiting income. Created by a 7-figure affiliate for affiliates. Load up 100 to 200 clicks and be amazed. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check this out. Okay, let's check out the affiliate pages. See what they're. Okay. What is perpetual income? This gives you like a summary of what it is, what the product is about. You can read that. Let's go down here. Okay. Here you have 50% commission throughout the funnel. Make as much as $540.45 per sale. Monthly recurring income. And here you have the front end potential sales. So this is the front end sales right here. $9, $9.90, $2.97, and then $47 a month. That's your recurring income. And then you have additional upsales. And these are your additional upsales right here. And they just go on and just talk about more about the product, the benefits of the product. They also have a high converting funnel. They have compelling hooks that you can use. They have a lot of stuff back here. Let me see. And then they have partners testimonials. You might want to go through that and read. And they have real customer testimonials. Okay, yeah, they have. And they give you samples and things like that. So you can go through all this for yourself and see if this is a good fit for you. And then they also give you a demo to look at. And they just go really step by step through the product and really break down the product for you. So this is something that you definitely want to check out. Okay, so we're going to go back to the marketplace, and it looks pretty good. And how I do it, I purchase it. I buy it just to see how the product is. If it's either in health and wellness or languages, whatever niche that you're choosing, you definitely want to check it out and use it to make sure that it's legit. And before you go ahead and promote it, because you're putting your name on it. You're telling your prospects that this is a good product, but this is pretty good because I purchased it and checked it out. So this is a pretty good product. Okay, let's go back. And what we're going to do is we're going to promote. You want to put your name, an account here, tracking, and then you want to just click. Let me do this for you so you can see. Okay, and you just hit the hop link. You see this right here? That's the hop link right there. That's the link that you promote, and you just copy it, and then you promote your link. Okay, and then in another video, I'll just show you how you can make that link a little prettier. But in the meantime, this is how you do it. You just come back here and check it out. Make sure you pick your niche and what you want to promote, and then you make sure you're doing your research and your due diligence That's your responsibility as affiliate marketer. And then you go through all this and check it all out. And if it's a good fit, then you promote it. Okay? Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So there you have it, folks. You know, how to choose profitable products on ClickBank. And it's that simple. Okay? So until the next video, my friend, I will see you later. Take care of yourself.